चले।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। Today I am describing the Silsila Kalandariya chart, in which we will denote or show the places where are concerned to the Ahl Bayt. Man has two sides, left and right. Left side is heart. This is heart. Is called Kalab. Latifa Kalab. And this is Siri. This is Wu. Other name is Spirit. This is Kafi and this is Affa. Now I am writing here the which Latifa or which point is belongs to which Ahl Bayt. Kalab, heart, belongs to Hazrat Sayyida Fatima. Color of imagination. Is yellow. Or golden color. This is first Latifa Kalab. And now I am describing the second latifa. Second latifa is Ruh. Latifa, Ruh. Ruh means spirit. Belongs to Hazrat Sayyid Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Color is red. When you invoke any latifa, that will you concern to the world. Suppose you are invoked the latifa kalab, you will meet with the angels, and if you will invoke the Ruh, you will meet with the spirits or arwah. Third is Sri, Latifa Sri. Latifa Sri. Latifa Sri belongs to Hazrat Imam Ali, Hazrat Imam Ali Karamullah Wajah alayhi salam. Color is white, like clouds. This is the color of Latifa Sri, and it is belongs to Hazrat Ali alayhi salatu wassalam. Fourth is Latifa Khafi. Belongs to Hazrat Imam Hassan alayhi salam. Color is green. And fifth is Latifa Akhfa. Akhfa belongs to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Muhammad This is belongs to Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Color is black. If anyone invokes the universe will be opened for peoples in Silsila Kalandariya. So thank you. Khuda Hafiz.